Okay, so now that we've unboxed everything, we will start to build up the harness. So this is what the harness will eventually look like. So you can see the switch goes in the front. The battery connector is soldered to that. There's a short red wire that goes to the battery connector, and the battery connector also goes directly to the power minus in the Malenki board itself. The battery connector will go to the, what from this angle is the leftmost post. Then the Malenki will be powered from the middle post, and what that means is when the switch is off, it's connecting these two, so both of these are cold. The only hot post anywhere is this left post. On the Malenki itself, you can see that we have the power from the switch going in the top, the ground from the battery connector going in. On the back side of that, we have our brown servo ground, our red servo power. So those are those shared rings. So we got power going in the front and then coming out to the servo connector from the back. Also from the back, we've got our red and black to our left motor connector, and our red and black from to our right motor connector, and then yellow signal to our servo. On the motors themselves, you can see that the short end of the motor connectors are soldered directly to the motors themselves, and that's actually all of the solder joints. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 total. Sorry, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there's 15 total solder joints in the entire bot. But what we need to do first is cut the wires to length.